In just 5 minutes, we are going to transform this ugly bathroom into something nice. Look at that lovely tub. We're going to take that out in just a minute, and that beautiful tub surround. That is a mobile home window adapted to fit this wall. And look at that sink and cabinet. You can barely fit one person in there. So we are going to start dismantling this bathroom in a minute, and we are going to change the floor plan. One last look in at the sink and the tub and the mirror. And there's the light fixture, and I do not remember if there was a ceiling fan in this or not, but we do install a ceiling fan. So you can see the old sink is gone, and that partition wall is also gone. It had some galvanized piping in there, and that will be removed shortly. And we are also going to change the orientation of the tub to the wall where the toilet is. And the toilet is going to go over under that window to the right. And you can see that that window, once upon a time, was much larger than the window that is currently there. Okay, so we have the floor opened up. There is some rot in the floor that we need to replace. Fortunately, it did not destroy or damage the floor joists. So we're getting some wiring done here. We got to put in new switching for the ceiling lights and fan. And I think that is still the old tub there. But you see in the back, we've built a platform for it. This is the new shower control for the tub. And that is the rear platform because the wall the tub is going to be on is wider than the tub. So there you see it gives a little ledge in the back of the tub, and it's in there. We are using all cement board Duroc. And this is the new plumbing for the sink, and we have L gauge copper that is insulated very nicely, protected from the cold. And that is the new toilet location. So you can see how much more open the bathroom is now compared to what it was before. Just bad planning before. So there you see it's all Duroc cement board up now. And it goes all the way up to the ceiling from the sides, front, back, and the bench in the back of the tub. Then we have also used some leveling compound on the floor, a cement-based leveler to smooth out the old floor problems. So we've got our sheetrock up on the walls there and all mudded out. There's the ceiling and the new bath fan. And you can see the new window there now. And there's the tile job. We have just one small accent tile going about eyeball height in there. New tub set, new tub. There's the new bath mirror and vanity light. And so we just tiled around that window. It's a smaller vinyl window, but it lets in light. So you can see without that wall, the sink, there's a larger sink in there and a lot more room for people to be at the sink. And there's even room to use the throne. We've got the new flooring is in there. So everything is coming together very nicely. It was just a simple remodel. We did have to change around some plumbing and wiring, but when everything was done, it made much more sense. And this is the kitchen. We're going to strip the wallpaper and paint this pretty soon. We're not going to change the cabinets or anything. It is a rental house, and so not going to make heroic efforts on things. But the wallpaper is getting kind of old. And there, the tub is now grouted. So the bathroom is ready for use. All we have to do now is put up a shower curtain. Those are Delta faucets on the tub and sink, I believe. But everything came together very nicely, very simply. Got a little shower caddy for soap and shampoo bottles. And I believe that that is an American Standard tub. And I think we just put in a new thermostat. So there you see the walls have been painted white now, kind of a semi-gloss white color, and it brightens it up considerably. So it made the house look a lot better. Okay, this is the next project, and that'll be the next video, a basement bathroom conversion. So stay tuned to this channel for the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do click like, and you are invited to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.